That's beautiful. Are you rolling? All right, what's going on, guys? Today we are doing something very special. We are unboxing the Ooni Karu 16. That means it's gonna be really big. We're about to be making some big pies today. So let's dig in to see what goodies we might be having. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, first thing out of the box, of course, the stone. The most important part of cooking really delicious pizza is having a nice pizza stone. It's like it's coming in components. We got a nice, big, beautiful cooking surface here. I always love the Ooni pizza stones, man. They're so reliable. Look at all that space I got here. I can't wait to put this into the oven. Woo! Oh, that's the door, son? Look at that. All the vision I'm about to get. Claim your free 3-year warranty. You know what I'm saying? When you register your product at ooni.com/warranty within 60 days of purchase, son, don't forget to do it. What do we have here? Oh, that's that back latch. Nice and firm. I love that handle. Oh, this must be a chimney. Yeah, I just call that a chimney. That's nice. I love that circular shape. That's really great there, damper. Then we've got our thermometer, it looks like. Very cool. I got some batteries. Thanks, guys. I appreciate that because I didn't have AAAs on me. And now the moment that we've all been waiting for. I'm so happy about this. With Ooni ovens, setup is usually very simple. This, obviously, our chimney cap. And of course, put a lot of wood in there. It's about to get real hot. So we're keeping that there. How dope is this, by the way? Thermometer, you already know how hot that's gonna be. All right, we're gonna get our stone, part number 1. Part number 2, we're going right in. We're gonna get our door attached, nice and tight. Oof, tell you what though, look at that. Coming in and out, that's beautiful. I love this top handle. I love all the vision I got to look inside at my pizza while it's cooking. Speaking of pizzas, let's get that fire going. I think I'm good to go. All right, oh no, I'm not. Gotta get the chimney on real quick. All right. I've been waiting for Ooni Karu 16 for a long time, and it's finally here. And I'm gonna show you all the potential and the type of pizza we make, and you already know it's sourdough, because it's your boy, holla. This literally been like 5 minutes, man. It's hot in there. Ooh, we about to be eating good. We about to do a double pepperoni with some hot honey on a sourdough pizza base. It's gonna be very delicious. So let's get going. We looking hot. There we go, front and center. All right, we're gonna let it cook for a minute, and then I'm gonna give it a little whirl. Not a literal minute, more like a few seconds. Like right now, I'm about to go back in. We talking quick, you hear me? It's hot. Go, we all done. And there it is, that's the beauty I was waiting for. Ooni Karu 16, busted it out. Nice hot temperature, love the cooking surface. I'm sweating because it's hot. But now, speaking of hot, we adding some hot honey on here. Boom. And we gonna serve it up. And that's that, folks. That's the way it was. There's no words to describe that. You just gotta get that. You know what I mean? You gotta get that. You gotta make that. And catch y'all later.